Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome you back to your geography class for your chapter number 1 Size and Location. In this chapter, in the previous class, we had referred to location of India. Today, we will be talking about size of India in comparison with the other countries of the world. Let's have a look. In the given world map, you can see that 10 countries are being highlighted, which are the top 10 largest countries by its area. In this chapter, we will be seeing the ranking of India in regard to the area it covers around the world. The total landmass of India, or the area covered by India, accounts to be 3.28 million square kilometer, which means the outline boundary of India, or the area covered of the mainland of the country, accounts to be 3.28 million square kilometers. Now, what is the accountability of this area around the world? If I compare the area of the country with the rest of the world, India's land boundary or the mainland accounts to be occupying 2.4% of the world geographical area. Now, let's see the ranking of the top 10 countries, out of which India stands to be on the 7th rank. Can you see the ranking here? The 7 top largest countries of the world in regard to its area are being given in this picture. Starting from Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia, followed by India. The total area of India accounts to be 7th in its ranking in regard to its area. So if I am supposed to learn the area of India or the area ranking in terms of India, I can always remember RCUCBAI. Again, I repeat RCUCBAI. Always remember that C, initial one is Canada and the next one is China. So with this mnemonics, you will be able to learn the countries who are larger in terms of area in comparison to India. Furthermore, we will be able to compare the land and the sea boundary. The total land boundary of India, which it shares with the neighboring country, accounts to be 15,200 kilometers. Yes, how much is it? 15,200 kilometers. In comparison, the sea boundary, or the boundary that the Indian coastline is shared by sea, accounts to be 7,516.6 kilometers. Yes, it accounts to be 7,516.6 kilometer. So we can memorize this. Furthermore, the comparison of the distance between the western and the eastern edge of the country and the northern and the southern edge of the country can be in regard to the total distance covered. The amount of distance covered between the western and the eastern edge accounts to be 2,933 kilometers, whereas from the northern to the southern extent, the area or the length covered is 3,214 kilometers. Thus, if I will be summarizing the topic for size of India, I need to keep these pointers in mind. Firstly, India stands to be the 7th largest country of the world in regard to its area. Yes. The total area of India accounts to be 3.28 million square kilometers. The world geographical area that India occupies with reference to the other countries is 2.4% of the world geographical area. The northern to southern extension accounts to be 3,214 kilometers, whereas the eastern to western extension accounts to be 2,933 kilometers of length. The land frontier or the boundary of the mainland shared with the neighboring countries accounts to be 15,200 kilometers, whereas The coastline of India accounts to be 7,516.6 kilometer, which has been round off here and written as 7,517 kilometers. That's enough for today. Thank you.